In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect circle in Procreate. So Procreate has this really cool function where if you create a wonky circle, if you hold it at the end, it will make a shape for you. You can move this shape around your canvas, you can make it bigger or smaller. But the cool thing about it is if you press on your canvas, it will snap into a perfect circle, and then you can make your circle bigger or smaller. You can also edit your circle. You can make it an ellipse. You can edit it. If you click Edit Circle when it comes up here, you can move things around. You can make your shape bigger or smaller or more oval. If you want to make changes to how this function works, you can go to your Actions toolbar, click your Preferences, click Gesture Controls, and for your Quick Shape menu, you can play with all of these functions to see which one works best for you. Right now, because when I hold it down and it snaps into place, it's called Draw and Hold, and the delay is 0.65 seconds. So that's how you create a perfect circle in Procreate. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.